In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit calendar availability on Fresha. Fresha is an intuitive platform designed for professionals looking to manage their appointments more efficiently and effectively. Whether you are a hairstylist, a massage therapist, or any kind of service provider, being able to adjust your availability with ease is crucial in running a smooth operation. So, grab your device and let's dive right into the process. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to Fresha for Business. This is your starting point and where the magic begins. Fresha for Business is tailored specifically for professionals like you, providing the necessary tools to manage your appointments and services. Once you're on the Fresha for Business page, the next step is to click on Login. You'll find this option clearly visible, designed to take you to the next phase of the process without confusion. After clicking on Login, your next action is to select Fresha for Professionals. This option is tailored specifically to your needs, offering a more personalized experience. By focusing on the professional side of the platform, you are accessing features designed to make managing your business as efficient as possible. The next step involves a familiar process, clicking on Continue with Google. This is a convenient option for those who prefer using their Google accounts for an easy sign-in process. It simplifies access, removing the need to remember another set of login credentials. Following the Google sign-in process, you will choose your Google account. This step is pretty straightforward. If you're already signed into Google, it's just a matter of selecting the account you wish to use. This links your Fresha and Google accounts, making future logins even smoother. Now that you're signed in, it's time to head over to your calendar. This can be done easily by clicking the provided link, directing you to your calendar of appointments. The calendar is where you'll see your scheduled appointments, availability, and where the customization of your schedule takes place. At this point, you're ready to make adjustments to your calendar. Suppose an appointment needs rescheduling, simply click and drag the appointment to its new time slot. This feature is what makes Fresha incredibly user-friendly, the ability to visually manage your calendar and make real-time changes with ease. It's designed to be as intuitive as handling a physical calendar, but with all the benefits of digital efficiency. As you reschedule an appointment by dragging it to a new slot, remember that this action immediately updates your availability, reflecting the changes across the platform. This ensures that your clients see the most up-to-date availability, helping to prevent double bookings or scheduling conflicts. Throughout this process, there are a couple of points to keep in mind for a seamless experience. Firstly, ensure your internet connection is reliable. A stable connection ensures that the changes you make are saved without issue. Secondly, familiarize yourself with the calendar interface. Take some time to explore the different views and settings. Fresha offers various views, for example daily, weekly, monthly, to suit different preferences and needs, ensuring you can manage your schedule in a way that works best for you. In conclusion, managing your calendar availability on Fresha is a straightforward process designed to enhance efficiency and flexibility. By following the steps outlined today, you can ensure your business runs smoothly, your clients are well taken care of, and your schedule is managed in a way that works best for you and your clients. Remember, the goal of Fresha is to provide professionals with the tools needed for success, and managing your calendar availability is just the beginning. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful and feel more confident in managing your calendar on Fresha. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to explore Fresha support resources or reach out for help. Here's to expertise, ease, and an efficiently managed calendar.